Welcome to Easy English. In this video, we will discuss articles. A, an, and the. A is used before words beginning with a consonant sound. Always remember that a singular common noun always requires an article before it. In this example, since popsicle starts with a consonant and has a consonant sound, the answer is ah. Can I have a popsicle? Let's look at other examples. A wallet, a cup of coffee, a unicorn, a European man, a university. Although the words unicorn, European, and university start with a vowel, their first syllable has a consonant sound, so we use the article a before it. I need an umbrella. An is used before words beginning with a vowel sound. Examples: an apple, an R. Although the word R begins with a consonant, it starts with a vowel sound. An owl, an NGO. Although N is a consonant, it starts with a vowel sound. An elephant, now let's test your knowledge. And the answers are a teddy bear, since teddy starts with a consonant and has a consonant sound. A rainbow, since rainbow starts with a consonant and has a consonant sound. An elf, since elf starts with a vowel and has a vowel sound. An orange, since orange also starts with a vowel and has a vowel sound. A uniform, since uniform starts with a vowel and has a vowel sound, U. An NDA, since the consonant N starts with a vowel sound. A magician, since magician starts with a consonant and has a consonant sound. Now let's discuss the. It is used for specific objects or objects that both the speaker and listener know. In this example, both the speaker and listener know about the remote, so the correct article is the. Where is the remote? The is also used when we mention the object again. For example, I have a car. The car is green. We use the with nouns modified by ranking or ordering expressions such as the first, the second, the next, the last, and so on. For example, this is the last day of our conference. What should be the next step? We also use the when referring to a union of countries or states. For example, the United States of America, the United Kingdom. For groups of islands, like the Philippines, the Caribbean. For republics, like the Czech Republic, the Republic of China, the Republic of Cuba. The is also used in the superlative degree. For example, the greatest, the largest, the worst. Now let's have a short quiz. The United Kingdom has over 130 universities. We use the because the United Kingdom is a union of countries. I want an orange, since orange starts with a vowel and has a vowel sound. Today is the last day of school. The answer is the because it is in the superlative degree. Be back in an R. The answer is an because the word R starts with a vowel sound. Life is beautiful and complicated. The life of a monk is solitary and austere. The answer is the because we are referring to the specific life of a monk and not just life in general. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.